Just to recalibrate where things are and where they were, first of all, just for everyone understanding, Wisconsin is not an early vote state. In other words, back in 2004, the State Elections Commission said, we're not going to be an early vote state. So what's happened over the years is that clerks have allowed people to vote in-person absentee early, which requires an absentee ballot application. So they started allowing all this early vote absentee applications. And the Trump campaign said, wait a second, where are the applications? Then the Trump campaign sent their $3 million. They filed their recompetition. After the $3 million was sent in, the Wisconsin Election Commission got together and said, well, we want to change the rules. As of today, Tammy, there was the clerks so far in Milwaukee and Dane County haven't told the Trump campaign yet if they're even going to allow them to review the actual applications, which just strengthens a potential Supreme Court case in Wisconsin for a violation of due process of an administrative proceeding. So, look, so far so good in Wisconsin. It's not easy, but on the law, the Trump campaign is correct.
You know, I have to say, we just talked to Kaylee very quickly, but want to get also to Matt, that this is about due process, but equal protection as well. When we're dealing with what's required of Republicans and Democrats and who's allowed to vote, who's allowed to cure their ballots, who gets a chance to, have their provisional ballots counted. Isn't that the trajectory to the Supreme Court when it comes to that kind of a large framework in a state about equal protection and due process?
Well, it is, Tammy, and on the equal protection claim, one of the allegations that the Trump campaign is bringing, and it's a good one, is that the Dane County, this is Madison, Wisconsin, where the university is a very liberal area, the Dane County clerk decided and declared to anyone in Dane County that in order to get around the state voter ID law, that you could come to the clerk's office at the early vote time for absentee ballot, declare yourself indefinitely confined, and you then will not have to show a photo ID. So that was one of the reasons why instead of the normal 80,000 people, instead of the normal 80,000 people that are indefinitely confined in Wisconsin, this time around